How to deactivate your Facebook page. Hello my friend, I will show you a tutorial on how to deactivate a Facebook page. To deactivate your page, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Choose your profile. On the top, select your page by select your profile. Tap your name on the top center. Choose your page that you want to deactivate. Tap menu at the top left. Scroll into the bottom. Click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Click Page Settings. Scroll to the Facebook page information. Under Facebook page information, tap Access and Control. Tap Deactivation and Deletion. So, if you want to deactivate your page, then tap Continue. Then, follow the steps to deactivate your page. So, that's the tutorial on how to deactivate a Facebook page. Hopefully, it's easy to do, and don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next videos.